days when I'm home again. I know I'll get there, just don't know just when. Truck drivers aren't supposed to cry when I've been left alone at night. My eyes get wetter, I know much better. Truck drivers aren't supposed to cry. Truck drivers aren't supposed to cry.